Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be doing an unboxing, or maybe it's called an unbagging, because they were advertising a mystery bag. If you've ever ordered anything directly from the Rag Company, they usually put the towels, the mitts, or whatever else in a bag. And I don't know if they vacuum seal it, but they pack it pretty tight. So underneath the paper bag here, or the paper packaging, is going to be the order. So I have the Rag Company pulled up on my phone, and I am going to check to see what the retail price is of all of the products that came in the mystery bag. The tier that I purchased was $30, and they said that if you purchased a $30 mystery bag, you would receive $60 worth of products. So let's not waste any time. First and foremost, we have the WoWo's interior finisher. It says here, "You've cleaned it, now protect it." WoWo's interior finisher is an anti-static cockpit finisher used for all interior plastics and hard surfaces that leaves a soft satin sheen and a fresh scent. So it's green. The labeling on the bottle is green. It came in its own individual bag and has a sprayer. So I'm going to open it up. It does. It's the same color as Adam's interior detailer. So I'm going to open the bottle and see what the fresh scent is like. So not only is it in its own bag, but the top here is also taped. It does say, "Give the bottle a good shake. Make sure the trigger sprayer is facing away from you unless you want to eat or wear the product. We don't advise this." So there's a little bit of humor on the packaging. "Spray onto the area you wish to shine and protect. Wipe off with a deep pile microfiber towel or cloth. Apply a second coat for extra shine." So let's see here. It is sealed also. It does have a fresh scent, kind of like, maybe like hand cream or just like soap. So it does have a different scent than the Adams. So we'll leave that there. So next, if you can see, there is a bottle of pink liquid. Here we have the WoWo's glass cleaner, streak-free glass cleaning in a pro-sized bottle. So easy to use it that it would only be better if you didn't have to do it yourself. So again, a little bit of humor with the packaging. Again, it's in its own bag, sealed, and then the bottle is taped, and it comes with its own trigger. The glass cleaner also comes sealed. So in terms of a scent, it just smells like a regular glass cleaner product. It's not overwhelming, but there is a chemical smell. Okay, so both the glass cleaner and the interior finisher are $12.99 each. So if you round that up to 13 bucks, you're already at $26, and again, the mystery bag was $30. So what else do we have here? So as you can see, it comes all in one bag. Now, these are the same coating removal towels that Obsessed Garage uses, so I ordered those. So it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 of the diamond glass towels. So let's get this open here. So let's start on top, which we have a WoWo's wash mitt, which is conveniently white and purple, similar to the Camaro. So the Camaro may now have a new wash mitt. You can see the inside lining of the mitt. So it's about a little bit smaller than the Cyclone mitts that the Rag Company carries. So we're going to put this back into the mystery bag here. So yeah, there's five of these diamond stitch glass towels. So obviously they went with a theme. They give you glass cleaning towels with glass cleaner. Now, I did a video about which towels I use for glass cleaning, and to be honest, I'm not really happy with any of the dedicated glass cleaning towels, especially these diamond. Let's see if we can zoom in here. See the diamond stitching here? So these are supposed to prevent any kind of drag when you're cleaning the windows. So I noticed that they do leave a little bit of lint. I washed my previous order of these type of towels, and even when using them on the inside of the glass, they left a lot of lint. So I'm not really a fan, but we'll use these in some form or some fashion. And it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these yellow towels. And these yellow towels look like they are a, where is this, 16 by 16 towel. This looks like what Obsessed Garage likes to use for polish removal. So I'm going to hit the website and come right back. Okay, so the yellow towel here, after a little bit of searching, turns out to be the Rag Company's all-purpose microfiber terry towel, which is a 300 GSM towel. A 10-pack, 16 by 16, is $15. So, going off of, so this is $46.93. $46.93 is the glass cleaner, the interior finisher, the mitt, and the glass towels. And then if you add $15 to this, you get $61.93. So, did I get $60 worth of product for $30 in the mystery bag? Yes. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to use the yellow towels for, but we'll find a good we'll find something to use them for, maybe for wheels, maybe for the interior. Maybe that's why they sent those with the interior finisher. They are a very soft towel, so we'll find a good use for those. And like I said, these are the very thin coating removal towels. So I have a couple ceramic coating vehicles that are going to be ceramic coated coming up, so I'm kind of stocking up for those. So for oh, would you look at that, it looks like we also have a WoWo's air freshener. So how about that? WoWo's. So we'll give it a shot. That's really about it. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions on any of the products shown here, leave it in the comments below. If you're interested in how the interior finisher works, or if you've used it yourself, feel free to also leave a comment below. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.